Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best model ships is probably one of the most rewarding and challenging hobbies you can find, demanding patience, precision, and a keen eye for detail, but the final product, a magnificent large-scale model ship, is a testament to your skill and dedication, offering a unique sense of accomplishment and a stunning centerpiece for your home or office. Number 5. USS Constitution Model Ship. This exclusive edition boasts meticulously crafted details. It features a laser-cut hull and a unique serial number, ensuring its authenticity and collectability. Examine its intricate features. From the metal anchors and cannons to the crow's nest and rigging, every detail has been carefully recreated. At 38 inches long, 13 inches wide, and 32 inches high, it's a commanding presence. It truly captures the grandeur of the original vessel. It's surprisingly easy to assemble. The detachable components make setup quick and simple, and it's designed for safe shipping. This model is more than just a ship, it's a piece of living history. It represents the world's oldest commissioned warship, launched in 1798. It's a testament to superior craftsmanship and attention to detail. Own a piece of maritime history with this stunning model. What we like. It boasts intricate details and museum-quality craftsmanship. Its easy assembly makes it perfect for those who want a stunning model without a long build time. If you appreciate historical significance and impressive detail without complex assembly, this is the model for you. What people say. The detail is incredible and the beautiful workmanship. Quality and attention to detail of model. Looks incredible and realistic, this piece looks like it belongs in a museum. Number 4. Tamiya 78007 USS Enterprise. Get ready to experience the thrill of building the mighty USS Enterprise. This detailed model kit lets you create a stunning replica of this iconic aircraft carrier. It boasts incredible accuracy, capturing the essence of this legendary warship. Every detail is meticulously crafted for an authentic look. At 38.47 inches long, it's a substantial model that will command attention. Prepare to be amazed by its scale and presence. You can customize it. Position the deck edge elevator either up or down, adding a unique touch to your display. This is a 1/350 scale model, offering an incredible level of detail in a manageable size. It's perfect for any model enthusiast. Bring home a piece of naval history. Build it, display it, and relive the glory of the USS Enterprise. What we like. This model is highly accurate and comes in a detailed 1/350 scale. It's a great representation of an iconic carrier. If you are looking for an accurate and detailed representation of a famous warship, this is the one for you. What people say. The instructions were easy to follow and the amount of detail that was available with this set is outstanding. Great, very accurately detailed model of the USS Enterprise. Over 40 inches long and great detail. Number 3. Tamiya 78025 Yamato. Get ready to experience the grandeur of naval history. This meticulously detailed model kit lets you build your own iconic battleship. It boasts impressive accuracy, right down to the smallest components. Notice the photo-etched parts for the ladders and radars. It's not just a battleship, it includes reconnaissance seaplanes and various small boats. These add to realism and historical accuracy. This magnificent model is crafted at a 1/350 scale. This allows for incredible detail within a manageable size. Prepare for an engaging build. Once complete, it will be a stunning centerpiece of any collection. Order yours now and embark on this rewarding model building journey. You won't be disappointed. What we like. It includes photo-etched parts for enhanced detail and comes in 1/350 scale. The level of detail is remarkable. If you value highly detailed models and appreciate the finer points of ship construction, this model is an excellent choice. What people say. Just received the model and went through the parts and instructions. No detail was left unattended, a simply beautiful replica. This is what I believe to be Tamiya's best ever plastic model. Considering the quality of Tamiya kits, that is saying a lot. They had an earlier version of the Yamato, but this kit is an entirely new kit, not a retool, based on new information recently unveiled. Initial impressions of the casting quality, packaging, and instructions are very high. This has to be state-of-the-art plastic injection molding. Unbelievable quality and detail. Number 2. Trumpeter USS Iowa BB-61. Prepare for an epic build. This detailed model kit lets you recreate a pivotal moment in naval history. It's incredibly detailed. You'll be amazed by its accuracy and the level of craftsmanship involved. Step into the heart of the action. Relive the intense Battle of Leyte Gulf with this historically significant model. It's a hands-on experience. Get ready to follow the instructions and bring this mighty battleship to life, piece by piece. This kit is perfect for model enthusiasts. It's challenging enough to be rewarding, but suitable for ages 14 and up. Remember to gather your essential supplies. You'll need glue and paint to complete your masterpiece. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Order yours today and start building. What we like. This model is a challenging build in a large 1/200 scale. It's a great representation of an iconic battleship. If you enjoy a challenging build and want a large-scale model of a famous warship, this is perfect for you. What people say. Goes together well, very nicely detailed. The included photo etched sheets are really good. Overall, it is a magnificent model when finished, with more detail than any smaller scale. The completed product is huge. Nearly 4.5 feet long, so much space is required for storage. Number 1. Mamoli MV-53 Alabama Ship Kit. This stunning ship model kit offers a challenging and rewarding build. It's perfect for intermediate to advanced model builders. It features laser-cut basswood and fine metal castings, ensuring a durable and impressive final product. You'll be proud to display it. The plank-on bulkhead construction method adds realism and detail. It's a classic shipbuilding technique that results in a beautiful model. Detailed instructions guide you through each step of the assembly process. Even if you're new to this type of project, you can succeed. Once completed, it makes a breathtaking display piece for your home or office. This model is truly a work of art. This model is ideal for history buffs and model enthusiasts alike. It's a great way to add a touch of the past to your collection. With impressive dimensions of 28 inches long and 14 inches high, this model is a substantial project. The 1/120 scale ensures incredible detail. What we like. It features a plank-on bulkhead construction and uses high-quality materials. It offers a challenging build for experienced modelers. If you are an experienced model builder looking for a challenging and rewarding project with a beautiful result, this is the model for you. What people say. May take 6 months or more to complete this project. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.